Hello everyone, class 12th NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2 solution. In today's video we will discuss a in-text unsolved question. The question number is 2.7. Henry's law constant for CO2 in water is 1.67 into 10 to the power 8 Pascal. At 298 Kelvin, calculate the quantity of CO2 in 500 ml of soda water when pegged under 2.5 atmosphere CO2 pressure at 298 Kelvin. So when we solve it, first we understand what is given. The given is value of KH, that is 1.67 10 to the power 8 Pascal. So the value of KH given here is in Pascal. We have to convert this pressure into the Pascal. So pressure of carbon dioxide that is given is 2.5 atmosphere. We have to change into the Pascal. Why? Because the value of KH is given in Pascal. So in 1 atmosphere, number of Pascal is 1.01 into 10 to the power 5. When we multiply it, the value comes to be 2.533125 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. According to Henry's law, P of CO2 is equal to KH mole fraction. Here KH is Henry's constant. So mole fraction will become pressure of CO2 divided by Henry's constant. When we substitute the value comes to be 2.533125 into 10 to the power 5. This is the value of pressure of CO2. 1.67 into 10 to the power 8 Pascal is the value of Henry's constant. When we solve it, the value comes to be 0.00152. Okay. Now, we know the volume of water given is 500 ml. As you know, the density of water is 1. That is why 500 ml is equal to 500 gram of water. Now, the number of moles of water is, we know, this is the weight of water and this is the molar mass of the water. The net value of the number of moles comes to be 27.78 mole of water. Here, this is the mole fraction. The mole fraction formula is, that is N of CO2 upon N of CO2 plus N of H2O. We consider it NCO2 upon NH2O because the number of moles of CO2 is very less as compared to the number of moles of water. Okay, that is why we say here mole fraction is equal to number of moles of CO2 divided by number of moles of water. Okay, now we have to calculate the number of moles of CO2. The number of moles of water we already calculated. The value of mole fraction is 0.00152. Okay, when we calculated it, the value comes to be 0.042 mole. That is the number of moles of CO2. So the quantity of CO2 in 500 ml of soda water is 0.042 is the number of moles of CO2 into 44. 44 is the molar mass of CO2. The net value comes to be 1.848 gram. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this numerical. For more numericals and for more study material, please visit teachingpoint.org.in. Thank you, students.